This is Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory corrections video for lesson 34, completing the circle of fifths. The circle of fifths is called that because as we go clockwise, we're going to go up a fifth. And as we go counterclockwise, we're going to go down a fifth. One thing that's important to know is that if we go up a fifth, it's the same thing as going down a fourth. Or if we go up a fourth, it's the same thing as going down a fifth. And so we always have to go forward following our scale pattern of whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step to get us up a perfect fifth. So we're going to start here in the middle with C major. C has no sharps and no flats, so we don't have to do anything here. Now we're going to go forward a fifth to go clockwise. So C, D, E, F, G, G, A, B, C, D, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, no, B, C sharp. Okay, now as we go around the other side, we're going to go down a fifth, which like we said earlier is the same as going up a fourth. So we're going to go up a tetrachord to find our next scale. So C, D, E, F, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. And you're noticing that in this area, each of these scales or each of these key signatures has two names, and they are enharmonics. C sharp and D flat are the same note. F sharp and G flat are the same note. B and C flat are the same note. They sound the same, they're just going to be spelled differently, those scales. Okay, now, as we go clockwise, not only do we go up a fifth, but we add sharps. And as we go down a fifth, we add flats. So, C has 0 flats and 0 sharps. G will have 1 sharp. D will have 2 sharps. A will have 3 sharps. E will have 4 sharps. B will have 5 sharps. F sharp will have 6 sharps. And C sharp will have 7 sharps. All the sharps. Going around the other side. F will have 1 flat. B flat will have 2 flats. E flat will have 3 flats. A flat will have 4 flats. D flat will have 5 flats. G flat will have 6 flats. And C flat will have 7 flats, or all the flats. You'll notice that the C's, this one has all the naturals. C natural has all the naturals. C sharp has all the sharps. C flat has all the flats. Okay, now to remember which sharps and flats go in which area, I want you to write this somewhere on your paper. Maybe you write it on the back, maybe you write it at the bottom. I'm going to put mine here at the top. The order of the flats is big, elephants, and donkeys go canoeing Friday. So if you have one flat, it's going to be big, B flat. If you have 5 flats, it's going to be big, elephants, and donkeys go. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. For the sharps, it's just the inverse of the flats. And so we're going to have fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. Or birds or bagels, really, whatever you like. So if I have 2 sharps, they're going to be fat cats, F sharp and C sharp. If I have 6 sharps, it's going to be fat cats go down alleys eating, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp. All right, so then you just have to add those sharps to your staffs here, your sharps and flats. So let's go around this side. G sharp, or G major has 1 sharp. That 1 sharp is going to be F sharp. Okay, I'm going to do this in treble clef. F sharp. D has 2 sharps. Fat cats. A has 3 sharps. Fat cats go. E has 4 sharps. Fat cats go down. B has 5 sharps. Fat cats go down alleys. F sharp has 6 sharps. Fat cats go down alleys eating. And C sharp has all of the sharps. Fat cats go down alleys eating bugs. We're going to do the same thing now going around the flat side. C has nothing. F has 1 flat, and it's going to be big. B flat has 2 flats. Big elephants. E flat has 3 flats. Big elephants and. A flat has 4 flats. Big elephants and donkeys. D flat has 5 flats. Big elephants and donkeys go. G flat has 6 flats. Big elephants and donkeys go canoeing. And C flat has all 7 flats. Big elephants and donkeys go canoeing Fridays. When you look at all of the sharps together, you'll see that they kind of line up like this. And when we have all the flats together, it follows a zigzag pattern like this. Okay, that is true both in treble clef and in bass clef. Okay, here's another couple of quick tricks for you guys. A couple of things to help you remember stuff. For sharp keys, the number of lines that it takes to draw a letter is how many sharps it has. So like D is 2 lines, it has 2 sharps. A has 3 lines, 3 sharps. E has 4 lines, 4 sharps. B, 5 lines, 5 sharps. Okay, and then for the flat keys, we use what's called the rule of 7. So D flat is going to be 7 minus 2, giving us 5 flats. A flat is going to be 7 minus 3, giving us 4 flats. E flat is going to be 7 minus 4, giving us 3 flats. And B flat is going to be 7 minus 5, giving us 2 flats. Okay, the same thing is true of F, which is the 1 that we just have to effing remember. Okay, that it has 1 flat, which means that F sharp will have 7 minus that 1, giving us 6 sharps. Same thing with G and G flat. G has 1 sharp. G flat will have 7 minus 1, giving us 6 flats. Okay, so just a couple of tricky little helpers. And then with C, it's all of everything. So C natural has 7 naturals, which is the same as 0 sharps, 0 flats. C sharp has 7 sharps, has all the sharps. C flat has 7 flats, all the flats. Okay? Everything that you write on this piece of paper, you get to use on any future tests. So I would make sure that yours is nice and clean. Take a picture and submit it on Canvas.